Welcome everybody. So in this quick tutorial, what I'll be doing is showing you how to install Python using the Anaconda distribution. The first thing that you need to do is head on to anaconda.com/distribution. I'll have the link in the description of the video. Once you get to this website, you have to scroll to the middle, and since I'm using a Windows machine, I've already selected Windows there. You're gonna be using Python 2.7 because Python 2.7 is a whole update behind 3.7. So yeah, we're gonna be using the graphical installer, not the command line. So yeah, just hit download on the 64 graphical installer, and then alright, cool. So once you're done installing Anaconda, head on to your search tab, type in Anaconda prompt, and I think before you even start finish typing it out, it'll pop up. Just double click on it, and then this is the screen that you'll get. Right, you'll get C users and your username. So what I normally do is, before I get to the command line code that you have to punch in to launch Anaconda, so I just change my directory to my documents real quick, and I hit enter, and then when I launch Jupyter Notebooks, it is going to run from my documents because that's where normally my data is at. Cool. So this is the second way of launching an Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. So just as like we did before, you're gonna head over to your search tab and then search Anaconda Navigator. It's gonna pop up before you even finish typing it, and then you're gonna click this button, launch here, and then once you've done that, it'll launch Jupyter Notebooks on your default directory. I like the command line because I can direct it as to, like, where do I want it to launch my Jupyter Notebooks from, as opposed to like using Anaconda prompt, because it just launched it from like the default directory, and then you have to navigate down to the files that you want.